The Himalayas, a majestic tapestry of culture, nature, and spiritual significance. 1. Introduction. Cradle of the sky. The Himalayan mountain range, often referred to as the abode of snow, is a colossal natural wonder that stretches across several countries in South Asia. Beyond its towering peaks and breathtaking landscapes, the Himalayas hold immense significance in cultural, ecological, and spiritual realms. 2. Physical grandeur. Majestic peaks. The Himalayas boast some of the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. This awe-inspiring range is a result of ongoing tectonic activity, where the Indian subcontinent collides with the Eurasian plate. Biodiversity hotspot. Despite the harsh conditions at higher elevations, the Himalayas host a remarkable diversity of flora and fauna. Alpine meadows, dense forests, and high-altitude deserts create distinct habitats, making the region a biodiversity hotspot. 3. Water Tower of Asia. Source of major rivers. The Himalayas are often referred to as the Water Tower of Asia because they serve as the source for some of the continent's major rivers. The Ganges, Brahmaputra, Indus, and many other rivers originate from the glaciers and snowmelt in the Himalayan region. Lifeline for millions. These rivers provide water for millions of people in the plains below, supporting agriculture, hydropower generation, and various ecosystems. The Himalayas play a vital role in the hydrological cycle of the entire region. 4. Cultural significance. Cultural tapestry. The Himalayas are deeply woven into the cultural fabric of South Asia. They serve as a backdrop for countless myths, legends, and spiritual practices. The range has inspired art, literature, and religious traditions across diverse communities. Spiritual retreats. Numerous sacred sites and pilgrimage destinations are nestled within the Himalayas. From the holy town of Rishikesh along the Ganges to the sacred sites in Bhutan and Tibet, the Himalayas are a haven for spiritual seekers and devotees. 5. Gateway to the Himalayan kingdoms. Home to unique kingdoms, Bhutan and Nepal, two countries situated within the Himalayan range, have preserved their unique cultural identities and traditions. Bhutan, with its focus on gross national happiness, and Nepal, with its rich history and diverse ethnicities, exemplify the resilience of Himalayan cultures. Mountaineering Mecca. The Himalayas attract adventurers and mountaineers from around the globe. The challenge of summiting peaks like Everest and K2 has become a symbol of human determination and the pursuit of excellence. 6. Climate influence. Climate regulator. The Himalayas play a crucial role in influencing the climate patterns of the Indian subcontinent. The barrier created by the mountain range affects monsoon winds, leading to distinct wet and dry seasons across the region. Climate change concerns. The melting of Himalayan glaciers due to climate change poses significant challenges. It not only affects local communities but also contributes to changes in river flows and water availability downstream. 7. Conservation efforts. Biodiversity conservation. Recognizing the ecological importance of the Himalayas, various conservation initiatives aim to preserve its unique biodiversity. Protected areas and national parks have been established to safeguard endangered species and their habitats. Sustainable development. Balancing the needs of growing populations with the conservation of fragile ecosystems is a challenge. Sustainable development practices are crucial to ensuring that the Himalayas continue to thrive while meeting the needs of local communities. 8. Conclusion. Guardian of nature and spirit. The Himalayas stand not just as a geological marvel but as a guardian of nature, culture, and spirituality. Their towering peaks, ancient traditions, and ecological importance make the Himalayas an integral part of the South Asian identity. As this majestic range faces environmental challenges, the need for responsible conservation and sustainable practices becomes paramount to preserve the Himalayan legacy for future generations.